You are the one who reigns from above. Because of you, the victory's won. You are the one who reigns from above.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya. If this is your first time here, my name is Ifnaya, but most people call me Naya. But yeah, anyways, if this is your first time here, thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Naya. I'm a faith and lifestyle YouTuber and I live in Canada. So guys, today is an exciting vlog. Like you guys, I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, I'm going to Nigeria today. Actually, I mean, I'm guessing that tomorrow, but I'm leaving today. I'm so happy. You guys, I've not been to Nigeria in 6 whole years. Like, it's so crazy. And things that it's not like I didn't want to go, but like every time I try to like plan this trip, something just, you know, comes in the way, and it's been so annoying. Like literally the first time was COVID, and last December I was literally supposed to be in Nigeria, but then the whole travel ban and all that. So yeah. So I'm going now anyways. This is April, by the way. Currently 9:34 and the taxi is coming to pick us up at 12:30, so I'm just getting ready right now. So yeah, I know I look a bit crazy, sorry guys. I'm trying to do my hair. This is how my hair has been for the past 2 weeks. Okay, I'm gonna get done once I get to Nigeria. So yeah, so let's get ready for our trip. This is what I'm wearing to the airport. I'm just wearing this t-shirt from Odd Future or something like that. I don't even know. I got these shirts in like high school. But yeah, anyways, and I'm wearing these like fitted pants. They're not too fitted, like they're very comfy. That's why I got them. They're from PLT and it's also like high-waisted too. So yeah, I'm also going to carry a sweater in case I get cold. I don't know if I'm going to be cold, but yeah, this is my outfit and that's my hair. I don't know if you guys can see well, but yeah, this has been such like an easy way to style my hair, and I actually like how it looks. On my feet, I'm just wearing my Crocs. So it says any here. I'm going to get like the rainy letters, maybe like Nans or something, and 20 because I got it on my 20th birthday. Cheers, what do you have to say? So guys, our ride is here. About to head out. See you guys later. The journey. Yeah. Yes. You have your passport? I don't have it. Everything is good. Why would I? You just need to do this. You just want to be my vlog.
So you guys live Vansa, right?
Yes. You just give me your card. Huh? Your card. Hi guys, so we just got inside and I'm so excited. So we're about to check in, but they said that the check-in opens at 2:10. I mean, our flight is by 6, so to be fair, we actually got here like pretty early, but yeah. Well, my camera is looking a bit, anyways, yeah. We're at the airport. Guys, look how cute my luggage set looks. Okay, you see Chez's own. But yeah, I really like how mine looks. So cute. So we just finished checking in. We just finished checking in and then we're going to, yeah, leave. Just keep going straight? Okay. So guys, we are at the airport and we're getting some food. Ifna, what's your number? 30. So guys, I just got this creamy chill from Tim Hortons. It's literally my favorite drink ever. But yeah, finished eating and I was just like kind of shopping. Not really shopping, or sites, window shopping. So I'm literally just waiting to board right now. I'm so tired and I just want to sleep. But yeah, we're gonna we're gonna board soon. Hi guys, so we just arrived in Germany. I'm so tired. It was a good flight. I feel like the turbulence wasn't too much. It was really nice, but the food wasn't the best, not gonna lie. We're going to go to electronics. Oh, should we buy adapter? So we have 3 hours before our next flight. So yeah, we're just walking around. So guys, we are about to go to Abuja. My hair looks scattered because it's been a long journey. Arrived Nigeria. So excited. We're about to go through immigration, so I'll let you guys know how that goes, I guess. Yeah, like it's so hot. I'm so happy. Yeah, excited. Yeah? Yeah.
I suppose the gremlins as soon as we enter airport, I'm like,
this cannot be the heat. Like,
Hi guys, so we just got out of the airport.
It was actually very
so hot.
seamless.
Yeah, the airport was actually really nice. Like, this is our first time in the new airport, and it was so like quick. Like, they're very efficient, I felt. So yeah, that was good.
Guys, I'll talk to you when I get home.
Yeah. Smooth out, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, so I just got here. I just got home and I'm eating. Let me show you guys. I've had most of it already, but then I'm just having spring rolls, samosa, and beef. Cheers as well, and my mom. But yeah, I'm so happy to do that. So guys, this is literally the first thing I'm eating as I arrive in Nigeria. This is peppered beef. It was literally full, but you know, these guys had everything. Hi guys, so it's literally like 9 p.m. right now. I was just like catching up with my family, yeah, and just eating. But yeah, I'm just so excited to be back, and yeah, I'm just going to spare right now. I just took a shower. It was so hot when we came out of the airport. But yeah, I'll also vlog a bit more like also vlog like the next couple of days, like my first few days here as well, just so you guys can see what I get up to. And yeah, see you guys. Hi guys, good morning. So you guys, I know my hair looks crazy right now, but then today I'm going to get my hair washed and straightened, so that's why it looks a bit, you know. I'm enjoying my stay so far. So now it's morning. So now it's morning, so I'm just going to go get breakfast, and yeah, let's see what today has for us, guys. Hi guys, so I'm going to go get my hair done right now. So I'm going to get my hair done right now, so I'll show you guys when I get there. Getting her pedicure done. Guys, just relaxed her hair. What was the time? 4:16, 4:19. Yeah. Can you turn videos in the pattern? Chess has left the natural girl gang. I'm talking to Chess. You're not part of us. Well guys, I just stretched my hair and I really like it. Guys, we came grocery shopping at, what's the name of the place again? H Medics, yeah. Like it's nice, but I don't know how much sugar is in it. Just that. But I don't. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm just going to end this travel vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is literally like day 5 of my stay here in Nigeria. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I enjoy my stay here in Nigeria as well. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. You're not vlogging later.